two steep parts, like one kind of like a small mountain, and the second one. From the second, we will see the glacier.
Okay.
Okay, the thing is, we need to pass like the first one. If we pass like a good like the first part, other parts will be like easier.
Yay!
Okay.
Do it.
We're gonna go see a glacier today. Trek for about an hour, all geared up. You call the left one tank?
This one is Tank Glacier. That one is a lake.
Okay,
Glacier, yeah.
okay.
But we don't go there. We go like over there.
Okay. Oh, I see some people going.
Yeah. Some people over there. Some people.
Okay. The glacier, 2.8 kilometers. These spikes are giving me good grip. I absolutely love the site. Like it's all white with these rocky patches and beautiful. Sorry. Oops. Oh my god. Do not go there. Fuck. Oh man, what? There's someone coming from the front, so step to the side.
Clean it.
I think this is the first time I'm trekking in snow, so like a new memory for me. We kind of had some difficulty climbing up this patch. You can see Hershey. They're all kind of waiting. It's a steep climb here, and then I guess it gets easier. But yeah, I think I'm doing good. But what a sight. I'm liking it a little more because it's the first time I'm seeing these kind of scenes. Like, never seen snow before. And I'm glad my first winter trek was something like this, and not too many people also. So
How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing good.
Want me to record you on video?
Kind of tiring. I don't know if it's the altitude or the cold or how steep it is. I'm getting tired. Snow leopard spotted. What a view this one. What a view. Serious. Like, so it's a Tobler chocolate, bro. Is it your first snow trek?
Yeah.
Same, bro. Worth it. Like,
First snow trek, first glacier trek, first ice experience,
मैं पूछा क्या?
international trek.
I see a tear. I see a tear in his eye. He's crying because उसको इतना चढ़ना पड़ रहा है. But the views don't stop. Like it just gets better.
We are going to see something which has been formed over millions of years and which might not be there after a couple of 2-3 years. It just might not be there.
Yeah, man. I think I can. That's the guy.
That's the glacier right there. That's what we are experiencing. Hallelujah!
क्या जय श्री राम को क्या हुआ? हाँ. हाँ. Oh, dude. Turns out it's everybody's first snow trek. Wow.
You want a guide?
Huh? Not a guide though.
Including the guide girl also.
If we hired a guide whose first snow trek is this, it's our problem.
You know we have to use 7 stones. क्यों खेल रहे हैं?
I feel like flying it here, man. Do not put your leg in this. I put my leg in this, and half of my body was in the snow. You jump now. Jump.
Please save me if I don't come back.
I'll think about it.
I have also the drone footage on my phone.
I'll take your equipment. We'll leave the body there.
So to trek on the snow, it's very slippery and very flaky, so we have to wear these clips on.
We're getting closer and closer. That's the glacier behind. I don't know what a glacier is like. What's there inside?
There's nothing inside a glacier. Glaciers are basically over millions of years. Every time it snows and every time summer comes, the snow melts and it forms this kind of ice. And again and again, it keeps over and over. It keeps creating the layer and it keeps pressing it in. Like, because the weight of the melted ice is so much, and every time the snow falls, it melts again and again, and it just presses, and so the density of the glacier is much more higher than water, ice, and like and there might be some millions of animals or bacteria probably frozen inside possibly. But like it's if you this like the inner layer is like older than any animals or like as old as that. Don't put that in the video. Not everything will be fact checked.
He has said something. Now we don't know if it's true or not.
I've read about it now a long time back. Look at the ice, you can see through it, like it's melted over the years and formed layers over the layers. It's too pretty.
So if anyone got stuck inside,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, like that Avatar.
Not Avatar, Ice Age.
Ice Age, yeah. You can see those patterns inside. Look at this guy. First time touching a glacier. It's like someone has buffed the surface, you know, it's very smooth. Go in. I want to remove a stone
This
that
is very
was,
big.
stone that was stuck maybe. Dude, it's like
Yeah.
how we freeze like things in jelly. Hey!
Yeah, you got one. Just goes deeper and deeper.
Dude, if we fall inside.
There's a chance of this falling on us. Just
Oh, there's light there.
yeah, it's because sunlight is passing through. It looks like that. So if you go inside the bigger glacier, it's gonna be much more pretty out there.
Well, I think we should hurry because I saw them. They're already at the top. Huh? Finally. सब पहुंच गए. The person with the broken knee reached before us. सही है. Did you guys go there? क्या?
Let's go down.
भाई ये तो 20 बार आया ना, फोटो क्यों खिंचा रहा है?
So he has taken more pictures than all of us combined.
Woo!
Becomes a lake.
This becomes a lake.
Yeah. And
Oh, like when it.
yeah, it made it.
Oh wow.
Welcome to the glacier.
We there was the spot like inside,
Yeah.
so we kind of just went inside.
Oh.
We're trying to feel the ice. It's all smooth.
You can touch it.
and take the rocks out. How old would these rocks be, like that are stuck
all
inside?
this is,
Yeah.
it's around like more than 100 years. Here, like glacier, it just refresh it. But for the wall, it's around like more than 100 years.
Oh, okay.
Because of the earthquake, we have
Yeah.
like a wall in this area.
Yeah. Probably some animals get frozen.
No,
Is it possible?
No.
Microorganisms somewhere.
Microorganism,
Yeah,
yes. Animals, no. Because here's just like a small river. Small river
Ah.
coming like this way, and just like here, just always windy. That's why they make like this kind of just wall, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If there is like no wind, no water, we don't have like any glacier like this.
Yeah. Science. Like it's a massive structure. Matlab, I don't know, just being around it, seeing the textures, maza aa gaya. But it's super cold. We flew the drone, you know, for a while. We had to take turns, like, you know, 5 minutes I fly, 5 minutes he flies, until our hands freeze. Man, but worth it. Not a huge distance. It was challenging enough. The sights were beautiful, and like there's an end destination. So I really thought I would freeze up or anything, but it's manageable. Like with the equipment, everything, you're good. Seriously. I don't know what the this guy is doing, man. Lovely day, lovely place. Every few seconds, it's a good sight. Like, I'll come back here probably this year, next year. Awesome, like also very less people, so can enjoy. My man's going in.
Show this to my mom.
Oh, by the way, his mom thinks he's in Kashmir.
Kashmir, how can you say
Yeah,
that?
this is Kashmir, huh? This is Kashmir.